Water's running heavy again because of the rain. Missed that bird again. Some kind of crane, guy was saying, my neighbor. It's some kind of crane or something. He was fishing in here. Me and Nixon was coming over from the dog park. And I guess he was fishing because there's a lot of fish in the water here. Nice place for him to get something to eat. If that thing is a crane, he just comes out of nowhere. He looks like he's as big as a freaking plane. Nice flow of water now. Nixon. Looking for a little quick walk. I don't know if you can see the fish, but a lot of fish down there. A lot of fish in this lake, period. Nixon, where you going? Yeah, I think it's just a quick walk around. No. We're not going back to the dog park. You just ate. Come on. Come on, you don't want to do that. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. Come here. No. Come here. Up. Up. Stay there 1 minute. Stay there. Stay there 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute.